to ZhouZhuang. Here in this new province, it's the Venice of China. She found this beautiful gem, so let's have a look. Today we checked in at ZhouZhuang Life-In. As soon as you call Mania, it's in a scenic, restricted area.
You have to buy a ticket to be able to enter, even if you already reserved the hotel. After 5, it's free, but before 5, you have to pay.
So it's only 50 yuan, which is about 10 bucks. There's a lot of stuff to do. So you come down through all these little corridors and things like that. It looks like it to be a busy alleyway compared to the other spots. It's more well lit. There's more shops here.
This moment was one of the most beautiful moments of the trip. I was impressed about how old people have the sub. Bro, I will lose my shit after 5 minutes. Like, okay, taking too much.
Of course, when you're in your shop, in your new city, you always got to get a new magnet, one with English for our collection. So, we got gelato, we got our refreshments onto the show. How's your ice cream so far?
Almost done.
Almost done, huh? There you go. Nice, fresh, something cool in this heat. Ooh, it's heated. You can see the sweat just piling out of it. So that wraps up the show.
Wow, I am speechless. I cannot even talk right now. I am very speechless. I've never seen something like this my whole life.
Yeah, it was very interactive. You had like different rooms on different levels. Sphere room, in the beginning, where the main character, that's like modern in a backpack, was there, and then like something happened with space and he time traveled or something like that for like 900 years. 12 times either talking to celebrities and they're all giving them wisdom.
Travel in time where you can read history of this city, how it started, the war.
Yeah, that looked like it was like Genghis Khan and the Ming Dynasty or something like that. They were battling and they won and everything like that. Pretty cool show. So many different rooms. You're interacting. You have the little fish on a rod, and never seen anything like that.
Good morning, everyone. And today is our second day in Zhoushuang.
So they have outdoor seating while you order your food. They have English menus and things like that right on the canal. For your prosperity and wealth, for better luck, be sure to subscribe. So that was the museum. It's free. It takes like maybe 20 minutes of your time. Tells you about their culture. If you speak Chinese, definitely come. There isn't a lot of like English directions, so it's more of like a visual. That's everything to do in the city except for shopping, and obviously we're saving the boat for right now. So once you're here, you'll be able to ride the boats using this terminal. You have to purchase your ticket from over here, from the SAT office. And once you purchase your ticket, it includes for 6 people. It's per boat, not per person. They said it's only for 20 minutes long. There isn't any longer duration. For like 20 bucks, 220 yuan. It's fairly affordable. Finally made it on the gondola. So excited. Man, it was a little busy right there, but nothing a little cut in line, a little elbow grease. No, I'm joking. There's usually a line. People trying to cut you in, you just gotta stand it up. She's like, no, don't you dare try to come in front of me. She's like, let's go, babe, let's go, babe. You gotta have that hustler drive, right?
Yes, that's coming from back home. We're like that. We need to fight. Bro, never scared.
Alright, so we just got off the boat.
Beautiful and relaxing, but it went too fast.
Too fast. So yeah, let's go check out our hotel. I don't think we showed it to you yet, so let's go check it out.
The other side, there's the check-in. You enter. You feel like you're inside a dream.
So we're starting off here in the washroom. Whoa, look at this bathtub. It's huge. It's curved, nice and blue. Got extra stuff in here. That's so classical. Hey.
It's amazing.
Hit that like button.
Very modern shower.
Gotta have that shower with a nice head there. Got a furnace.
Everything is woody.
The coffee, beautiful cups, beautiful scenery.
I am so much in love with this place.
Look at this bed, massive bed. All right, so we just checked out here from Life Inn in Zhoushuang. How'd you find the city?
Everything was really good. The city was a nice experience.
The hotel, ZhouZhuang Life Inn, I'll give it about a 9.5 out of 10. What would you give it?
Me too.
Yep, 9.5 out of 10. So pretty good considering the area, the value, the amenities you get here and everything like that. I think it's the only place I could find that has a pool. That basically wraps up this guide for ZhouZhuang. Check out this next video because if you like this, you'll definitely love that as well. Till next time. Peace.